In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Hostinger, a straightforward but essential task for managing your online presence efficiently. Whether you're looking to grant access to a team member, a client, or simply another person who assists in handling your digital ventures, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's start by logging into your hPanel. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. This small yet significant icon acts as the gateway to a myriad of account settings, one of which is crucial for our task today. You'll want to click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, look for the option called Account Sharing, which might also appear as Clients and Access, depending on the interface. This section is where you control who can access your Hostinger services, ensuring you either share or maintain control as you see fit. Once you're in the Account Sharing section, you'll notice a button labeled Grant Access. In some views, it might appear as Request Access. This button is the key to inviting new users to your account. When you click on it, a new window will pop up. Here, you're asked to enter the email address of the person whom you'd like to add. Make sure you have their correct email on hand for a seamless operation. Now, you have an important decision to make: choosing the access level. Hostinger offers different tiers of access, such as limited or full. Think carefully about what kind of control and responsibilities you'd like to assign to the new user. Limited access might be ideal if the person only needs to perform specific tasks, while full access should be reserved for those you trust completely with your account. Next, you can specify the services they need access to. You have options like websites, domains, and billing. This customization ensures that the person only sees and interacts with the parts of your account that are relevant to their role. Once everything is set up according to your preferences, click the Grant Access button. An email will be sent to the person you're adding, inviting them to accept access. They'll need to click a link within that email, prompting them to log into their existing Hostinger account or create one if they haven't already done so. It's worth noting that you maintain control over access rights. If at any point you decide to revoke the access, you can simply return to the account sharing screen and make the necessary changes. This ability to manage permissions dynamically ensures that your digital operations remain secure and tailored to your needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added a user to your Hostinger account. This not only increases collaboration potential in your projects, but also allows you to focus on what truly matters, knowing you have the right people with the right access helping you along the way.